How do you perceive your body when you look in the mirror? Is it a reflection of joy or a source of constant critique? Today, we're delving into the multifaceted world of body image and its profound connection to our mental health. Body image, it's the mental picture we hold of our physical self. It's the way we perceive our body and how we believe others see us. This perception can often be skewed by societal pressures and expectations surrounding appearance. We live in a world where we are constantly bombarded with images of what we should look like, how we should dress, and what our bodies should be. These images, these expectations, can have a significant impact on our mental health. Body image is not just about physical appearance. It's about how we feel in our bodies, how we take care of them, how we appreciate them. It's about self-acceptance. It's about understanding that our bodies are unique and that's what makes them beautiful. But what happens when our body image is negative? When we constantly criticize ourselves, when we strive for an unattainable ideal? It can lead to anxiety, depression, eating disorders, and a plethora of other mental health issues. It's a vicious cycle that can be hard to break free from. That's why we're here today. We're going to explore the impact of body image on our mental health. We're going to understand the societal pressures that contribute to negative body image and learn how to challenge them. And most importantly, we're going to learn how to cultivate self-acceptance and a positive body image. We'll be unpacking the hard truths, challenging the norms, and hopefully, by the end of this journey, we'll have cultivated a better understanding of our bodies, our minds, and the intricate connection between them. This is a journey of self-discovery, self-acceptance, and self-love. It's about embracing our bodies, appreciating their uniqueness, and understanding that our worth is not defined by our appearance. Let us journey together into understanding the profound connection between our bodies and minds. Ever considered how your perception of your body affects your mental well-being? In today's world, we are constantly bombarded with ideals of physical perfection, leading many of us to struggle with negative body image. This can be a heavy burden to bear, and not just on a superficial level. Negative body image can have a significant impact on our mental health, leading to a variety of issues. Depression, for instance, can often stem from dissatisfaction with one's physical appearance. This dissatisfaction can take root and grow, leading to feelings of worthlessness and despair. It's a vicious cycle, as depression can further exacerbate negative body image, creating a loop of self-deprecation and sadness. Anxiety, too, can be a byproduct of negative body image. The constant worry about perceived flaws and the fear of judgment can create a state of chronic stress and unease. This can be especially debilitating as it can affect every aspect of life, from social interactions to personal achievements. And then there's the risk of developing eating disorders. These serious conditions often stem from a desire to conform to societal beauty standards. They can lead to unhealthy behaviors such as binge eating or extreme dieting, and can have severe physical and mental health consequences. But it's not just about the direct mental health disorders. Negative body image can also lead to a general decrease in self-esteem and confidence. It can make us withdraw from social situations, hinder our performance at work or school, and stop us from pursuing our passions and dreams. Our body image can indeed cast a shadow over our mental health, but it's not all doom and gloom. Let's explore how. If you're finding this content valuable, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your feedback is crucial in helping us create more of the content you love. Now let's continue our exploration of body image and mental health. Can you imagine looking in the mirror and feeling content, even happy with what you see? It's not a far-fetched dream, but a reality that we can all achieve. Cultivating a positive body image is a journey that begins with self-love. Self-love is not about vanity or narcissism. It's about recognizing and appreciating your unique qualities. It's about celebrating your individuality and embracing your imperfections as part of what makes you, you. It's important to remember that you are more than your physical appearance. You are a combination of your thoughts, emotions, talents, and experiences. So start by acknowledging your strengths and accomplishments. Write them down, say them out loud, and let them sink in. To further cultivate a positive body image, we need to reject societal beauty standards. These standards are often unrealistic, promoting one body type or one look as the epitome of beauty. This couldn't be further from the truth. Beauty is diverse. It comes in all shapes, sizes, colors, and ages. It's time we redefine beauty for ourselves. What makes you feel beautiful? Is it your radiant smile, your kind heart, your sharp intellect? Embrace these qualities and let them define your beauty. Finally, focus on body functionality over appearance. Our bodies are amazing. They allow us to experience the world, to move, to feel, to create. Instead of obsessing over how our bodies look, let's appreciate what they do for us. Can your body take you on a refreshing morning walk? Can it dance to your favorite song? Can it give a comforting hug? These are the things that truly matter. Remember, the journey to a positive body image doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, consistency, and a lot of self-love. But the result is worth it. A healthier and happier relationship with your body. Cultivating a positive body image is possible, and it starts with you. How does a healthy lifestyle contribute to a positive body image and mental health? Let's dive right in. Nourishing your body with a balanced diet is akin to fueling a car for a long journey. You wouldn't fill your tank with soda, would you? Likewise, your body needs the right mix of nutrients to function optimally. Consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains not only keeps your body healthy, but also helps maintain a balanced mood and energy levels. Indeed, a balanced diet is a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle and, by extension, a positive body image. Moving on to regular exercise, it's not just about shedding pounds or building muscles. Exercise is also a powerful tool for mental well-being. Engaging in physical activity releases endorphins or feel-good hormones, which help to reduce stress and anxiety. It's like a natural mood booster. Regular exercise also fosters a sense of achievement, boosts self-esteem, and helps you feel more comfortable in your own skin. So whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a high-intensity workout, make exercise a part of your routine. And let's not forget the third pillar of a healthy lifestyle: adequate sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs and rejuvenates itself. It's a vital time for your brain to consolidate memories and process emotions. Skimping on sleep can throw off your mood, energy, and appetite, impacting your body image and mental health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to keep your mind and body in top shape. In essence, a healthy lifestyle comprised of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep can significantly contribute to a positive body image and mental health. It's about treating your body with kindness and respect, listening to its needs, and nourishing it in a way that promotes overall well-being. A healthy lifestyle is a key ingredient in the recipe for a positive body image. So let's embrace this journey of health and self-love together. Remember, it's okay to seek help when you need it. We cannot overemphasize the importance of this statement. In our journey towards a positive body image and improved mental health, sometimes we find ourselves in need of a little extra support. And that's perfectly all right. Professional help can be an invaluable resource in dealing with body image issues and mental health disorders. Therapists and counselors trained in these areas can provide the right guidance, techniques, and strategies to help you navigate your feelings and cultivate a healthier self-perception. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to mental health. What works for one may not work for another. That's why it's crucial to explore various resources until you find what suits you best. There are numerous mental health resources available today thanks to the advancements in technology. Online platforms offer secure and private spaces where you can connect with licensed therapists from the comfort of your home. These platforms cater to a wide range of needs, including body image and self-esteem issues. There are also hotlines available around the clock, providing immediate assistance in times of crisis. Websites and apps focusing on mindfulness and meditation can also be beneficial, offering exercises that promote relaxation and positive thinking. Support groups, both in person and online, provide a sense of community and understanding. It can be comforting to share your experiences and hear from others who are on a similar journey. Books and podcasts on body positivity and mental health can also offer valuable insights. They can provide you with a broader perspective, understanding, and tools to incorporate into your daily life. And let's not forget about the importance of a supportive network of friends and family. Reach out to them, share your feelings, and let them be there for you. Never hesitate to reach out for help. Your mental health matters. because you matter. Every step you take towards improving your mental health is a step towards a happier, healthier you. For more resources and our recommended health products, check the description box below. It's brimming with additional information and links to help you on your journey towards self-acceptance and positive body image. Now, let's wrap up our discussion on body image and mental health. We've journeyed through a critical topic today, haven't we? We delved into the deep waters of body image and mental health, surfacing the importance of fostering a positive relationship with our bodies. We've unraveled the harsh impact of negative body image, revealing how it can cast a long, baleful shadow over our mental health. It's clear, isn't it? Our perception of our bodies is far more than skin deep. It's a vital component of our overall well-being. We then explored how to cultivate a positive body image, a process that requires compassion, acceptance, and patience. Remember, it's not about achieving a certain size or shape. It's about cherishing our bodies for their strength, their resilience, and the breathtaking complexity that allows us to live, breathe, and experience the world around us. We also underscored the role of a healthy lifestyle in nurturing a positive body image. It's not about deprivation, it's about nourishment. It's not about punishing workouts, it's about movement that brings joy and vitality. It's about making choices that honor our bodies, not harm them. And let's not forget the mental health resources we discussed. These are lifelines ready to offer support, guidance, and tools to help navigate the tricky waters of body image and self-acceptance. Before we close, let me remind you to check the description box for our hand-picked health products. These are resources we believe can support your journey towards a healthier, happier relationship with your body. Finally, let's remember that our bodies are not our enemies. They are our homes, our vessels for experiencing life. They deserve our care, our respect, our love. So let's make a pact, shall we? Let's commit to cherishing our bodies, to nurturing a positive body image, and to supporting our mental health. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your body is your home, cherish it. Until next time, stay healthy and love yourself.